In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make a super cute slouchy tote bag by upcycling a couple of old pairs of jeans. You'll need 2 to 3 pairs of jeans for this. I only used 3 pairs because I wanted 3 different colors, but this would work fine if you only have 2 pairs of jeans as well. You can download the free pattern if you follow the link in the description below. Just know that this is made to work with a standard pair of jeans, but something like skinny jeans will be a little bit too narrow for this project. So keep that in mind when choosing the jeans that you want to use. To start with, you are going to cut out the pattern pieces from the legs of your pants. For the side bag pieces, line up the fold that's marked on the pattern with the seam of your pants. Next, you want to apply interfacing or buckram to the base of the bag. Bring the dotted lines of the pleats together on the reverse side and press them. Then baste the pleats in place. Do this on the side and center pattern pieces. Next, you are going to sew all of the pieces together. With right sides together, sew the side bag pieces to the center bag pieces to form a tube. Then you want to sew the bag handle with right sides together to connect it at the top as well. Next, it's time to add the base. Sew the base of the bag in place with right sides together. Then you want to turn the bag to the right side, and then hem the edges of the handle. Make a narrow hem along the edges of the handle to enclose the raw edges of the denim. And that's it, you've finished. You have a cool new slouchy tote bag that you've made out of old pairs of jeans.